Hey guys, it's Anna here at Dee's showing you how to make a really quick summer swag for your boxwood wreath, or maybe another pre-made wreath you have in, maybe it's greenery or moss. But a lot of you have bought the boxwood wreath over the past couple months, so I wanted to show you something really easy you could do for summertime. I've chosen a floral stem, and then I love these little popsicle stems because of the colors with the pink and the coral, but you could switch it out and do flip-flops. We have all different kinds of cute pineapple stems like that, but for right now I'm gonna do the popsicles. So again, first I chose this mixed stem of florals. If you watch any of the other videos, you know I love a mixed stem because you get a lot of everything on it. So we didn't just get poppies, we got these little filler flowers, we got greenery, we even got some pretty berry pods, all kinds of stuff. So I always start by fluffing that out. And this is such an easy project and such an easy way to transform that boxwood wreath. So you can twist off that bow you have on there and just add something like this. So start by just fluffing it out. It's all wired, so you can kind of just open it up a little bit, and then you can move stuff around later after you add your ribbon. So next I'm gonna lay that popsicle stem right on top, kind of in the middle. And again, just take a few minutes, fluff it all out, mix it together. The reason I do this is because I don't want it to look like I took a popsicle stem and stuck it on top of a floral stem. I want it to look like it's one piece. So I fluffed all that out. Now I'm ready to add my ribbon. So I'm gonna cut these stems after I add my ribbon. I just wanna leave them on there so I can get a good hold on it to tie my ribbon on there and secure it. So I chose first up a 2.5 inch pink and green. It's really cute. It's got like a stripe to it. It's only going to take about a yard and a half to do a bow like that. So I'm going to leave a tail going up, make that little bow in my hand. And then on top of that, I chose this coral polka dot in the 1.5 inch. You can do two of the same size. You can do just one ribbon. It's really your preference. So lay that on there. Again, little tail kind of going up. And this one, I'm going to make 3 loops. So it's going to take about a yard and a half. I'm gonna just open this up, make a couple more loops, make one kind of towards the middle here. Sometimes that middle loop, I'll make it even a little smaller so then it kind of fills in the center of that bow. Leave yourself a little tail. Tie it with some cloth covered wire right in the middle. This time I'm not gonna fold it in half, I'm gonna leave it long. So then I can go around the bow, I can go around the stems, and then I can go around the boxwood wreath. What's nice about this is you're making this swag piece that then you can twist off, put in a box, save for later, or you could even use something like this on a mailbox, like going down the side. You can use it on a lantern on the top, and it's really cute. So now I'm ready to tie it to my stems. What I want to do is I don't want to just go at the bottom below everything. I want to go kind of up about 1 inch into the stems. And that way, the bow doesn't just slide right off. It catches on some of these branches. So I'm gonna grab that bow, lay my stems down, just kind of take your bow, go up there into the middle. So as you can see, I've got a few of the little branches below the wire, but not a lot, just 2 or 3. Tie that in a knot, make sure it's really secure, go on and knot it so it doesn't come off. And then flip that back over. I like to fluff and move my ribbons, like maybe move this flower into the middle. As you can see on the one on the wreath, I've actually just taken a few of the little poppies right to the middle of the bow and that little white one over here, so it really looks like it's all one piece. I'm gonna go on and cut my tails. I like to leave these a little longer too, so you can pull them over if you want. And now I'm ready to chop those stems. So I'm just gonna flip it over. You can leave a little bit more. If they hang down, it's okay. They'll be covered by the ribbon. But now you've got this really pretty swag piece. Again, all you have to do is wire it on. So if you have double doors, this is a great inexpensive way to add something to those boxwood wreaths. You could always flip it over, have it kind of hang down a lantern, down the side of a mailbox, and it's just a really quick and easy 5-minute project to dress up a wreath that you already have at home. Stay tuned, we're going to post a lot more videos coming up this summer.